Doesn't this look like a great community for an investment home? Now let me tell you why it's a terrible idea to invest here. This community is called Silverado Lane and it's conveniently located in Silverado Ranch, walking distance to gyms, grocery stores, and dining options. It's a cute community with single-family homes ranging from 900 to 1,400 square feet in price from the low to mid 300s. This all sounds great, but don't get too excited. This community has rental restrictions, meaning that this community can only use 20% of its inventory as a rental. Now, let's say you did purchase a property in this community, and at that time you were able to list it for rent. However, once that tenant moves out and you have a new tenant in, you will have to reapply to the HOA and see if they will approve of you having a rental tenant. So that's why I choose to avoid these communities altogether for my investor clients. However, I do think communities such as this one are overall net positive, and let me explain. Major metropolitan cities such as San Francisco address the housing shortage by implementing below market rate housing, meaning you have to have a certain income limit in order to qualify for these below market rate housing. I think these communities with rental restrictions are a great solution to Las Vegas's housing shortage because these communities start at a great starter point for entry-level housing, and it doesn't de-incentivize buyers to make below the income limits that the below market rate housing does. Below market rate or affordable housing can kind of be seen as a dirty word in real estate, and they could potentially lower the value of the surrounding homes. However, these communities that have rental restrictions, I don't see being the same case. Most of my realtor colleagues don't even know that there are communities that do have rental restrictions. So I definitely recommend, if you're choosing to purchase an investment home, to work with a realtor that specializes in working with investors. This community isn't the only community that has rental restrictions. They're scattered throughout the city of Las Vegas. Rental restriction regulations will be listed in your CIC resale package, which can be hundreds of pages, and you can easily skip it over. So don't make the costly mistake of purchasing a home that you can't use as a rental in perpetuity. Leave a comment below if you're interested in learning more about these communities. I'm Shauna, your investor specialist. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Las Vegas, I love to help. You can find all my contact information at thethomasgrouplv.com, and I'll be at extension 9. I'll see you in the next video.